What I love most about Kevin is his drive and his hard work ethic. It's rubbed off on me. He doesn't do anything unless it's 110%, which I admire, whether that's at work or in our relationship or with his friends and family.
What I love most about Kyndal is that she's a godly woman, and that she is just somebody who's very unselfish, and she gives, and she just is incredible at taking care of people, me included. She just has a giving spirit, and she loves God.
Kev, I can't believe today is here. We've talked about it for a year, which is wild. But I'm so thankful and so excited. And I know today means a lot to you for many reasons. And reasons that I know I don't totally understand. But I know your mom's watching. And she's so happy for you and she's so proud of you. And I know she's with us in spirit. And I can't wait to see you. You're gonna be so handsome. And I can't wait to enjoy tonight with you. So I'll see you soon, and I love you.
You're more than I deserve. I love you.
I, Kevin, take thee, Kyndal,
I, Kevin, take thee, Kyndal,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
before God who brought us together,
before God who brought us together,
to love, follow, and submit myself to you in all things. I wish to have and to hold you from this day forward.
I wish to have and to hold you from this day forward.
For better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or poor,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, as long as we both shall live. By the power vested in us by the state of Kentucky, and as ministers of the gospel of Jesus Christ, we pronounce you husband and wife. Kevin, you may kiss your bride. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Announcing for the first time, Dr. and Mrs. Kevin Murick.
My darling, sweet Kyndal, those were wonderful days growing up with you. It was always fun to look back and remember, but I wouldn't trade one of those times of one of those days for today. Kevin, it's joyfully and with a very warm heart that Chris and I welcome you into our family. We've watched you be a kind-hearted and considerate person. I've seen firsthand how devoted you are to your mother and your family. In fact, there are many reflections of Kevin's mother here this evening if you haven't noticed that. Kyndal, I'm convinced that he will bring that same devotion into your life for you and your children. Thank you all for coming. It is with much honor, privilege, and pride that I propose a toast to Dr. Kevin, and in 7 months, soon to be Dr. Kyndal Murick. Let us all wish them a home filled with health, happiness, prosperity, and a place that overflows with the love of our Lord. Thank you. Thank you. Raise your glasses to Kyndal and Kevin.